Hello all, welcome to my channel Education Art and Craft. Today I am going to tell you some information on a very interesting topic which everyone should be aware of. That is India, Unity in Diversity. Before beginning with the video, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss my new video updates. Let's begin. India, Unity in Diversity. India is a land of unity and diversity. It is a country where people of different religions, languages, and cultures live together in harmony. Despite having many differences, we stand united as one nation. India has 28 states and each state has its own language, food, and traditions. Festivals like Diwali, Eid, Christmas, and Pongal are celebrated with joy by all. India's strength lies in its diversity. People from different backgrounds respect each other's beliefs and values. This unity makes India a unique and vibrant nation. Our constitution ensures equality and freedom for everyone, no matter their religion or region. This helps us maintain peace and brotherhood across the country. In this way, India's unity in diversity is a symbol of its strength and it teaches us the value of tolerance, respect, and cooperation. This is what makes India truly incredible. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe.